Hello everybody and welcome back to PMGT 1030, week 5, more than halfway through it and still having the time of our lives. So I hope you are too, it's great. So 2 points that I would make here so I'm going to say, here's a movie line. Let me know if you can decide what movie this is from. Where a gentleman walks up to a console, it pushes a button, and he says to the young soldier or sailor in front of him, 2 points. You heard the torpedo hit the hull, and I was never here. Name that movie that line comes from in our Q&A session without a Google search if you can. It's a great line, it's a great scene, and worth the YouTube. We'll give you a hint. Who wants a hint? Raise your hands. That's a joke. I can't see you. It's James Earl Jones said the line. Super actor. Okay. Well, the point to that opening is that sometimes the torpedo is in the form of technology. So we want to be careful. Some companies have been able to make the transition to new technologies, right? This is a world that's always evolving around us. And we used to have to fight wars to conquer territory, to gain wealth because of the farming or ports or other things, right? Today, wealth is often done intellectual property. And so technology is easily moved between areas, between businesses, because it goes with the individual. So some companies are able to make that transition well, and some are not. IBM, for example, has a history of adaptation over its 6, 7, 8 decades, however long it's been around. It's been remarkable. Remember, they started with typewriters and tabulating machines. What's a tabulating machine? I mean, really, people. To mainframe computers and then personal computers. Now software and services, professional services, they are world-renowned. So Netflix is another good example. They have been able to adapt at adjusting from DVDs to the streaming community. But I would like to point out, these are exceptions. In most cases, new waves of technology are accompanied by the failure of what were previously established leaders and the rise of, based on the rise of these newcomers who are taking advantage, differentiating themselves with the technology. The difficulties to overcome are in developing new technologies, in timing and assessing the implications, I would say, of emerging technologies and the value of keeping options available. Keywords I'd like you to focus on this week include disruptive change, dual strategy, emerging technology, alternatives, resources and capabilities, and disruptive technology. Different than disruptive change mentioned earlier. Okay, this week, again, please do the readings first, then review the slides with the lecture, attend to the discussion board, and do your business case evaluation of alternatives in the scenario provided. I will offer that, again, the best grades in the discussion board are those that apply critical thinking and do more than the minimum. The minimum being an answer, a main answer, a substantive answer by Wednesday at 8 p.m. and following up with 2 more replies to other students in a substantive fashion also. Don't just ask a question. If you ask a question to another student, pose a scenario, a solution, a way out. Critical thinking. Anyhow, I have enjoyed it so far. I hope you have too. Again, I am available and will reply quickly to your needs. So please keep in contact. Thank you and have a great SLUG week.